Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you another nice car that we look after. This is Betty, a 1954 Buick Century two-door hardtop. This car in 54 was featured in the centerfold of the Buick brochure, the sales brochure, in this exact combination, the green roof with the yellow body and a green interior. It's a nailhead 8. Now, we did not restore this car completely. We have the pleasure of doing a lot of maintenance and upkeep and tune-ups and that sort of thing on a lot of classic cars in our area. So this was purchased elsewhere, and then the engine was tired. We rebuilt the nailhead V8 a couple of years ago, and then every fall we go over the car before we put it away in storage for the client, and in the springtime we pull it out and then we check everything over, and then we polish it and clean her, and she's ready for another season of driving. So these are a pretty rare car. I thought we'd just take a very brief walk around just to show you the styling. Our camera person starts over at the front end. Very unique front end. These are the eras of lots and lots of chrome, and we really like this style of car. You've got the big bullet on the front of the hood, the Buick labeling, and the really big wide mouth grille with the bumperettes and the nice big headlight bezels, all high polished chrome and in exceptional condition. And as we come over to the side of the car, the front fender, you can see the chrome wrapping around the fender. We've got the 3 big portholes. We've got aftermarket spoked wheels with the BF Goodrich wide white wall tires, which really set it off. We've got the manual antenna for the stereo, the Century insignia in the quarter panel with a really nice sloped body. And if we open up the door, you can see how nice it is inside. It's quite an interesting contrast with the yellow and the green, and then you've got the dark green accents on top of the dash. Lots of use of aluminum and the chrome handles, and just overall quite a nice trimmed out car. Very enjoyable to drive. Client drives it quite a bit in the summer and takes it to some local show and shines and just really enjoys it on nice fair days. As you come along the back, it's very unique styling with the quarter panel, the way you have this sloped up part, and then your tail lights are scalloped in to the quarter, so exceptional style. Very clean car. We've done a lot of wet sanding and polishing on it. You can see, hopefully it'll come up in the camera, how nice and shiny this yellow is. The chrome looks quite nice, and then we have the single outlet for the tailpipe, and then you have your nice Buick Century logo with the red, white, and blue insignia in the middle of that. And then you can see the chrome, big wide chrome around the back window, lots of chrome use on the sides, and then once again you've got the Century and the wide molding up the sides with the portholes. And then we open up the passenger side. They certainly don't make them like this anymore. It's quite nice. It's got the really nice two-tone door panels. The weather stripping is all nice. Just a really nice driver. And then we got the nice chrome around the windows, the flap, and then around the windshield glass itself. So pretty rare car. This is a 1954 Buick Century two-door hardtop. Her name is Betty, and I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.